What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Wenny Weedy Wiki. I came, I saw, I conquered. This real estate investment trust I own, Wiki Properties. It's unchecked, unchallenged, and it's a cheap, high-yield dividend stock that is on fire. So I'm going to explain to you why I'm buying them and why I'm long in these guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this readout right now. So right now, Wiki Properties in the past 5 years has beaten the S&P 500. That's one thing that's attractive, especially if you like investing and you like competing with the S&P. It's beating the S&P right now in the past 5 years. That's fantastic. Average volume is 4.63 million. The market cap is 31.74 billion US dollars. Its year range is 27.75 to 35.69. Day range is 31.24 to 31.76, and its previous close was 30.91. So I'm going to compare a few more things. Also, in the past 5 years, Wiki Properties has beaten SPY ETF in the past 5 years. So guess what? Expense ratio, you have to deal with SPY. The dividend growth is not very good, and Vici's is cheaper. So that's one thing, just to let you know, it has beaten, currently it is beating SPY ETF as well. So let's go further into these guys. So on their website, Wiki Properties is an S&P 500 experiential, so experiences, having fun, real estate investment trust that owns one of the largest portfolios of market-leading gaming, hospitality, entertainment destinations, including Caesars Palace in Las Vegas, MGM Grand, and the Venetian Resort in Vegas, three of the most iconic entertainment facilities in the Las Vegas Strip. Wiki Properties' geographically diverse portfolio consists of 49 gaming facilities across the United States and Canada, comprising approximately 124 million square feet and features approximately 60,100 hotel rooms and more than 450 restaurants, bars, nightclubs, and sportsbooks. They have 49 leading gaming facilities, 124 million square feet, 450 plus restaurants, bars, and clubs. That's fantastic. Let's go a little bit more into these guys. So with their strategic focus, Wiki Properties aims to deliver sustained income and value growth through its strategy of creating the highest quality and most productive experiential asset portfolio in real estate investment management. This highly focused approach involves partnering with leading brands and operators, capitalizing on strategic development and redevelopment opportunities, including 34 acres of undeveloped land adjacent to the Las Vegas Strip, and optimizing its capital structure to support opportunistic growth. Ryan, I just want to let you know, you're out there in Vegas, you're probably partying at some of those properties. So the other thing is, out here, 4 championship golf courses. So there is diversification. They also have 34 acres of undeveloped Las Vegas land. So that's one thing that's like fantastic. So these guys have 49 gaming facilities. Again, I will go over them geographically because that's important as well. Don't forget, I'm going to go over FFO and revenue trends. That's also important because that brings confidence with the board of directors to hike its dividend. So based on their portfolio of real estate, they have 47% Las Vegas Strip exposure, 1% international exposure, and 53% regional exposure. So right here, it's in the United States and Canada. These are some pretty good locations. MGM Northfield, that's always popping in Northeast Ohio, as well as Jack Thistledown Racino, Mountaineer Casino, Racetrack, and Resort. That's a very popular one in Ohio. These guys are very strategic with their locations. I'm also going to go over their golf resorts. The Cascada right here is the course ranked in the Golf Magazine's top 100 courses. So that's always busy. Right here, Chariot Run is an equestrian-themed bent grass course. It opened in 2002 and located 12 miles from the Horseshoe Southern Indiana Casino. The course includes a clubhouse and dining room with a pro shop and event space. And they've won a ton of awards, which is very attractive. 2020, here's just Chariot Run as an example. Best of Indiana golf courses, #1 golfer's choice. So that's something that's very huge. okay, just in that state. So you're seeing this area popping. So people are paying to play golf, and guess what? People have to pay their landlord. So guess what? They're making money. Now, let's go over revenue trends, FFO, and dividend history. And how can you say no to this? Look at this revenue. This is why I'm buying that. Of course, I have a disclaimer at the end of the video, but I'm explaining to you why I'm buying these guys. Look at this revenue trends. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 187. 2018, 897. 2019, 894. 2020, 1,225. 2021, 1,509. And 2022, 2,600. So not only is it doing well against the S&P and SPY ETF, its revenue has jumped up significantly. Now I'm going to go over FFO and dividend history. So this is news on May 1st. This is on Yahoo Finance. Vici Properties came out with quarterly funds from operations of 53 cents per share, beating Zach's consensus estimate of 52 per share. This compares the FFO of 44 cents per share a year ago. These figures are adjusted for non-reoccurring items. The quarterly report represents an FFO surprise of 1.92%. A quarter ago, it was expected this company would post FFO of 50 cents per share when it actually produced an FFO of 51 cents, delivering a surprise of 2%. Over the last 4 quarters, the company has surpassed consensus FFO estimates 2 times. Vici Properties, which belongs to the Zacks REIT and Equity Trust, other industry, posted revenues of $877.65 million for the first quarter, ended in March 2023, surpassing Zacks consensus estimate by 5.56%. This compares to a year ago revenues of $416.63 million. The company has topped consensus revenue estimates 4 times over the last 4 quarters. Now let's go over their dividend history. 2018, then 29 cents to 30 cents in 2020. 2021, 33 cents to 36 cents. And then they cracked 39 cents in 2023. So their payout ratio is 78%. I'm not too concerned. REITs usually have a high payout ratio. FFO's been very strong. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 8.31%. So if you bought 1 share, you made 156 with a 4.94% dividend yield. So on my M1 Finance, I have been focusing on my dividend portfolio. I've been focusing on real estate stocks and financial sector stocks. Vici Properties I've been loading up on. I'm hoping to get to 200 to 400 shares eventually and really start doing some damage with my dividend portfolio. I am long on Vici Properties. I really like their portfolio. I like the diversification. I like EPR properties. I like MPW. Right now, I just like the diversification of these REITs, and this is a very good experiential REIT that I'm going to continue to buy. So I'm going to jump to my disclaimer, and you guys have a great Saturday, and I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer notice. This is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. Always consult with a financial advisor regarding financial advice. I do not give financial advice. I will tell you I do not give financial advice. There's always a risk regarding investing, and you can lose a lot of money. My channel is for entertainment purposes only, and I reveal to you my dividend investing journey. Do not take this with any form of financial advice in these videos. I hope you enjoy my video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thank you so much for watching this.